What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Kerry Too Smooth. If you're back for this channel, that means you really want to learn how to play R&B, neo soul, or gospel on this guitar. So today we're going to focus in on a traditional hymn, Thank You Lord, that I used to play in church all the time. I posted a while back on Instagram and I got a lot of feedback like, yo, we need this lesson, we need this lesson. So I figured, why not do it today? So today I want to talk about the song Thank You Lord. I played in E flat. You can play it in any key, but I want to stay consistently with the thing that I used on Instagram. So I played it in E flat, so I'm going to teach it to you in E flat. And the thing as a guitarist, what you want to focus in on when you're playing the song by yourself, you have to think of the mindset of like a keyboard player. Like you're the one that's holding down the melody, so you have to play melody and chords. You're not just soloing the whole time. And I know that sometimes as a guitar player, we find ourselves doing that, or we're just kind of soloing. We're not playing down the melody and the chords. So I want to show you how we're going to do that. So we're in E flat today. We're going to play like an old school straight major. Doing that hammer on the B string, going to the 3, 6, down at 7, 2, you can stay on 2, 5, and I'm gonna do like a melody line. Although those melody lines are important because you're not just hanging on the chords, you're facilitating the song. And I just want, so now I just want to play. So that whole triad movement. So off of that 3, so off of that 2, 5, 4, 3, 2, 5. So all I'm doing now is I'm going down here and playing on the lower register. The same progression I was playing down here before, I'm playing down here so it gives a little bit more context. I'm not playing the same pattern all the way through. As a guitarist, it's really important that we find ourselves doing that as well, like where we're playing different registers, different sounds, different frequencies, because they resonate differently, especially in the gospel community. They resonate differently when you're facilitating the song. I could have played it high the whole entire time, but going down here, it's like a deeper emotion in it. So instead of me doing that movement, I just went to that diminished. It's really, it's the same principles. It's just a passing chord. So I'm going off of that 2 again. So 5. We can keep it going. So that turnaround, like if you're in church, you've ever heard like, oh, do the turnaround, do the turnaround. So that's what I'm doing right now. So So that's Thank You Lord, and I played it in E flat. Again, it's one of those things, it's repetitious, it's really simple. You just have to learn the concepts of playing it. Think about the melody in your head when you're playing the chords. Listen to the melody. So thank you. You want to find yourself playing those chords that go along with the lyrics. So thank you, Lord. My singing is horrible. Thank you, Lord. So just not playing the chords, but playing the melody. Hopefully you enjoyed that lesson. If so, please leave a comment. If you like more lessons like this, let me know in the comments below. Also, subscribe to this channel, click the bell to be notified, so that way you can always catch the new heat that we're dropping. Love you guys.
To get more help with your guitar journeys, watch these videos.